Okay.
Okay, go. Oh my. Wow. You see it okay?
Yep. It's just fine. The blinking white light actually helped a lot.
What's that?
The blinking white light.
Oh, I love the white light.
Yeah.
You know, there's a rule on real aircraft, so that you can help if it's coming at you. If the red is on the right, it's returning. See?
I see. Yeah, that's the same thing Han told me to do too. Green on the right.
No, yeah, but when it's coming at you, red right, returning. Red right, returning to you. See, watch. Come at it. See, red's on the right. Red right, returning.
You like start running away from it.
Cray, man.
Don't worry, I crashed it before I hit us or hit anyone.
Oh,
Stall.
as if you have control. Sweet. I love it. You know what? If I was a youngster, back in like 1970, and somebody had that, hey, you lost. No, the white's in the back. Oh.
Yeah, only one white light in the front. That's a nose.
That landing light.
Yep.
That's like the best light system ever.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, if you find an airplane you like the cup, I might put it in the cup that I found.
Yeah.
The one that broken. A little bit flowy when landing.